We're recording. Hey guys, what's up? Sorry, I'm just getting into it all, getting loosened up, getting ready to show you guys my makeup. A few people asked me, Leena, how do you do your makeup? Like, I always get compliments on my makeup. I always like, oh my god, like your makeup looks so good. I'm like, yeah, because I need to hide all this. It needs to just be locked away for a little and then we continue on. So I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna let you in on my secrets to look snatched, to look good. This is the makeup I do for pictures. This is the makeup I do for videos. If I want to look good, but I don't want to look like, but it's like daytime, you know? This is my go-to makeup, and obviously everything is like catered towards my face shape. I've learned over many years what to do for my makeup, but you know, let's just get started because this is a process. You know, looking good takes a while. I'll link everything I use down below on if I can find it, because honestly a lot of this makeup is old, which is kind of gross. Every time I do my makeup, I always wash my face, get a bar of soap, get an eyebrow brush. This one's already wet. I wet this brush. Don't look at it, it's a little crusty. Take your bar of soap. I usually just keep it in the box so it's not like nasty staying in my makeup. Take this, get the soapy and get it on the brush. Take this, put my hair, and go through your brows. So that's what I do. Look, ooh, look, she's lifted. The face is lifted on this side now. Definitely lifts your face, and it keeps your eyebrows in place. And a bar of soap is like, I don't know how much a bar of soap is. I actually just stole this from my garage. Let the brows dry on there, and step one is done. See how easy that was. Next, take your primer. I use, what is this? Oh, YSL Touch Eclat Blur Primer. I don't know, it's the one with like little gold flecks in it. I put this primer on after my brows because it's more of like a skin primer, and this is like kind of gross. I shouldn't have done that. I just rub it in, la la la. Next secret. This is a good one. It's a good secret, so take some notes, get it on a notepad, or don't. Really can't tell you what to do. Conceal first. I'm seeing a lot that you're not supposed to like conceal the entire part of your under eye from like, it's like a lie. But apparently people lied, and I look so crazy right now. I know. Trust the process and it all just is better. I just conceal first. I do this one here to like blend it out. Again, this is not a natural makeup look because I don't do natural makeup. If I need to do makeup, I'm doing this, and nothing natural is coming out of it. But I just blend it out. I don't place it directly under, and I go over my eyelid too, covering me up. I use the heart shape tape. Yeah, I know people are like over that, but you know, I don't feel like buying a different one because I don't know how it works. So yeah, basically once you've covered your entire face and you look absolutely crazy, go in around my face and I place the foundation and I just go at it. Ooh, this foundation doesn't match me. Make sure when you're shit to your neck, don't be one of those people who doesn't. It's like literally rule number one of life. I always go in with creams first, so I'll show you. Then I'm gonna go in with Glossier. Little, ooh, that looks crusty on camera. I go in with contour stick from Fenty. I use Mocha. I snatch my face because, you know, Kim Kardashian once started contouring, and I started contouring right after that. I kind of just go in the general vicinity of where I need to contour, and I always blend my contour up because it lifts your face. That's another tip that I've learned. Blend it up. Just put a little on my finger and pop it on my cheeks. Blend her out. I like to do this because it just gives me like an inner glow. It gives me an inner rosiness. It brings life back to your face, which, you know, I tend to look at a little dull in the winter. Okay, next is another crucial step in doing your makeup. I dip my blender in so it looks like this, and I place it right under my eye, like a stamp almost. I do some on the bridge of my nose, a little right here because I can get oily in that area. I do a little right there to lift my face up. And then I do a tiny bit on my chin because I can tend to get oily there too. This is the look. I usually have this on for around 10 minutes. I can't believe this year is like coming to an end. I don't know if anyone else's Snapchat did this, but my Snapchat gave me a 2020 recap, and it just made me realize, like, oh my god, there's like 2 weeks left of this year. I mean, thank God, because this year has been absolutely a roller coaster of insanity, to say the least. And I'm so excited for next year. But I was kind of just like thinking, doing a little reflection on my life and this year, and I feel like, I don't know if it's just me, I've been seeing this on TikTok too. A lot of people, like, I've been seeing this on TikTok. I literally say that about everything, but a lot of people have been like, this year has changed me for the better, like I wouldn't take it back for anything. And honestly, I feel that so hard. Like, there's been like so much self-growth and like life growth. I've had to like relearn my way out of so many bad habits and mindsets, and I feel like I'm just like a lot more stable and good. My head's in a good space. I'm also a lot more empathetic and kind, and I mean, I'm still not gonna take anyone's shit because that's just who I am, but I'm trying to do this thing where I look at things from people's perspectives, like everyone's perspective. If there's a certain situation, I want to look at it from everyone's perspective before I come to an opinion, before I like form an opinion about something. I've tried to listen to other people's opinions, been more open-minded, you know, especially with the whole election this year. I'm in such a better place with like the people that I surround myself with. I just like have had to make tough decisions, like losing friends. I mean, it's all been tough, but I wouldn't reverse it because I realized like how actually better off I am without that negativity in my life. Like, I'm just not in a place where I need to be constantly surrounded by people anymore, just because I'm comfortable with them and I've known them for a long time, and that kind of like overlooks everything. Like, it doesn't at the end of the day. And I'm happy that I came to realize that I need to grow. Things to think about. I think the biggest thing is my like energy, and I'm not a negative person in general, and I don't like to be around negative people. If I do, I can really just have like a little dose of them. I want to be like at a point in my life where people can walk in and out and I'll be okay. I'll be fine, which I think that I am, because I have pushed people out in this past year and I'm fine, and I honestly think I'm doing better. And it's taught me that the only person I really need, besides like my family and a handful of people, is my myself. And okay, next I go in with this nice fluffy brush. I get the container of powder and I do a little swoosh. Ooh, this is gonna make me sneeze. And I go on my face. We're not done yet. Next up, bronzer. Angled brush. This is the secret. Take your bronzer on your cheek. It's right on your cheek. It lifts your face. Then I take this really crusty old Too Faced Eggnog palette and I use this page. Then I'm gonna go in with this contraption and curl my eyelashes, of course. I use this mascara primer. I don't know if it works. It kind of makes my eyelashes a little clumpy, but if you ever wonder what I look like up close, this is what it is. Which I don't know why anyone would ever wonder what I look like up close. Like, I don't think anyone is sitting in their house like, I wonder what Leena looks like up close. I'm gonna go in with this old crusty mascara. I don't even know if they sell it anymore. It's really gross. Okay, so I just go in with my mascara. I don't know what else there is to do. Ooh. Urban Decay setting spray. I've never used anything else. Ooh, another little secret. I just dab it in. I'm just like a natural, a little glam. A little, I need to look good ASAP. I look hideous. We need to figure this out. But, so I'll try to link everything below. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, otherwise you're fake. So do it. We're almost done with 2020, y'all. We're almost done. Only a few more weeks. And if 2021 sucks, I don't know what to tell you. I tried my best. Well, thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.